Hello. Hi. In Front Desk Master, you can use season prices and also flexible prices. So the season prices are the ones that you can find in Manager Prices. Here we have the default season and the other season you created. So they can be set up in this place. But also when you open this prices calendar, you will see here uh, the season prices in black color and the flexible prices in case you set up them before here, they will have the red color. Okay. So the flexible prices, they override season prices. So even if you have a season, like here I have the season which is covered by this manual price, flexible price. So this flexible price will override the season price. If you change your mind and you would like to restore season prices, you can do it by just clicking right click here and restore season price. You can choose few days like this, right click and restore season price. And you can also do it in bulk. You can click bulk update price. You choose the dates. Okay, let's say and the room types, the rate you want to restore these prices for, and here restore season price. Then you run or run and close, and you can see that the season prices were restored. Thank you.